So in this section, we are going to talk about FAQ. As the name implies, FAQ are frequently asked questions, right? So while you are in a chat flow, if you do ask some random question, so the FAQs should be able to address those, right? So generally, what happens is, if let's suppose for an example, if I'm creating, if it's a banking flow and I'm creating an FD, and then middle of the chat flow, I say, what are the interest rates for the FD? So in that case, it should give a response, but it should not go outside the chat flow, right? So the sequence of the chat flow should be maintained so that I can continue from where I've left off, right? So that is what the use of FAQs are. FAQs are also helpful in predicting a different flows from one from middle of another flow. So that is one more use case wherein I can just see some random, like, connect to a live agent and then connect to a live agent that way. But we'll demonstrate as to how the FAQ works. So let me go to the FAQ section. There are no FAQs created as of now. So what I'll do is, if there are two, we'll create a new FAQ. So as you can see, there are two types, input types. So either it's intent or keyword. So intent is wherein, as you know, it's an NLP engine wherein it would list all the intents, and keywords are specific. So in this case, we'll have a specific one. We'll create thanks, yeah, that should be thanks, and maybe thank you, something like that. So, and I can predict a story, or I can predict a response. So in this case, we'll do a response. I'm happy to help would be the response. I create this FAQ, right? This is created, and this we already have the customer support chat flow created with us. So what I'll do is I say hi. So I think this chat flow is active. So I say hi, I get a response, and I say select one of these options here. Get a response from the I'll get a video basically, right? But now I say thanks, right? I say thanks. So I'm getting a FAQ response. However, if I go just back here and select one of these options, it should still be getting a response from the chatbot. So you saw that, so that the chat flow was maintained, the order of the chat flow was maintained, but still I could ask like greet or something like that and getting response without the order of the chat flow getting broken, right? So this is what FAQs are. So in our next section, we'll be covering more about different offerings that Chatbot Builder have to offer. So stay tuned. Thank you.